Hey guys, what's up? My name's Lasher-Walker. Welcome to 1 Minute Mixology. Today's episode, we're going to make every bartender's favorite equal part 3-ingredient drink, the Negroni. Arguably the most famous cocktail to come out of Italy, the Negroni is a simple 3-ingredient drink that's usually served on the rocks. An aperitif that spawned 1,000 twists and variations, the history of the Negroni suggests that the drink was created at the Caffè Cassoni in Florence in 1919 for Count Amiliano Negroni. For our recipe, we use equal parts of dried gin, sweet vermouth and Campari. Built in the glass, stirred on a large piece of ice and garnished with an orange twist. Guys, thanks for tuning in and watching this week's episode. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to see a specific drink or an ingredient, leave it in the comment section below. If you like this kind of content, then follow me on YouTube, Instagram and Facebook, and especially over at www.tomlasherwalker.com as well. And until next time, I will see you then. Salute.